Good morning everybody, I am Sridhar Reddy. Today my topic is shape of the molecules. So it is particularly used for the IIT and NEET MCET examination only. This class is meant for only competitive examination only. It is not for the IP examination. How the question arises in the IIT, MCET or NEET, if you observe, it gives you like this. ICl4 minus. What is the structure of the ICl4 minus? I3 minus. What is the structure of the I3 minus? And he asks you the structure of the IF7. This one I will give you the one shortcut. I will give you how to predict the shape of the molecule. So in the last video I was given the shape of the molecule depends on the two pair of electron, which is called as the bond pair of electron and the lone pair of electron. Now I am taking the one chart. I am taking total pair of electrons, bond pairs, lone pairs and the shape of the molecule. Simply one table you have to remember, and table also I will give you the how to remember also I will give you. Let us take here. I am taking the total pairs or two total pairs, and the total pairs, if you take two are the bond pairs, then the lone pairs will be the 0. Whenever having the two ultimately the shape of the molecule is the linear molecule. 2 nothing but we can arrange in the straight line only, that's why the shape of the molecule is 2. So what I was given, we are having the total pairs are 2 are the bond pairs, ultimately lone pair will be the 0 and the shape of the molecule is the linear. 3 I am taking, total 3 are the bond pairs, then the lone pair 0 and the shape of the molecule is the planar triangle. Total pairs are 4 are the bond pairs, ultimately lone pairs is 0. 4 is nothing but already we are familiar, sp3, 2 nothing but sp and this will be the sp2, sp3 nothing but tetrahedral. I am taking, now let us take here, 3 are the bond pair, 1 is the lone pair, 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair, that's why it will not be the tetrahedral, even though it has the sp3, 4 nothing but total is the sp3 only, but the shape of the molecule is the pyramidal shape. Already we are familiar, pyramidal, and example is the ammonia. So example here if you take methane. I am taking the 4, 2. So ultimately 4 nothing but sp3 hybridization, but it has the 2 bond pair and the 2 lone pair, that's why the molecule changes into the bent molecule. This is about the 4. 5 I am taking. 5, 0. Nothing but 5 total pairs, 5 are the bond pair, then no lone pair. Ultimately shape will be the trigonal bipyramid. 5 I am taking, 4, 1. So now onwards I will give you hints. 4 is nothing but tetrahedral. Due to 1 lone pair, a distortion takes place. That's why the shape is the distorted tetrahedral. Distorted tetrahedral. 5 I am taking. So 3 are the bond pairs, 2 are the lone pair. This is the very important. The shape is the alphabet T shape. 5 I am taking, 2, 3. Already we are familiar, 2 bond pair, nothing but the shape of the molecule always will be the linear. So this is about the 5. 6 I am taking. 6, 0. 6, 0 nothing but 6 are the bond pair, no lone pair, no distortion, shape is the octahedral. 6 I am taking, and which will have the 5, 1. 5 nothing but 5 bond pairs, 1 lone pair, that's why octahedral nothing but this is the shape of the molecule. 1 lone pair nothing but here you will get the 1 lone pair like this, that's why it is called as the square pyramidal. 6, 4, 2. 4, 2 nothing but again this also a lone pair, ultimately you will get this only, square planar. Last and final one, 7, 7, 0 pentagonal bipyramidal structure. So this is a simple chart you have to remember, and how to remember also once again I will give you. 2 are the bond pairs, no lone pair, that's why the shape is the linear. 3, 3, 0, 3 nothing but sp2 hybridization, planar triangle. 4 nothing but sp3 hybridization, 4, 0, 4 bond pair, 0 lone pair, that's why shape remains as it is, tetrahedral. 3, 1 pyramidal, 2, 2 bent molecule. Only 5 you have to remember. 5, 0 already we are familiar. 5 nothing but sp3 dehybridization. sp3d without any lone pair, shape will be the trigonal bipyramid. 4, 1. How to remember this one? 4 nothing but tetrahedral due to 1 distorted tetrahedral. 3, 2 very important. Total 5 nothing but up to here it undergoes sp3d only, but 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pair, that's why the shape of the molecule is the alphabet T. 2 nothing but always it will be the linear molecule only. 6, 6, 0 octahedral, very familiar. 6 nothing but sp3 d2 hybridization, all undergoes the sp3 d2 hybridization, but shapes are different. 5, 1 square pyramid. So already you are familiar, this is the shape of the octahedral. Whenever one lone pair, simply you will get like this, which is called as the square pyramid. 4 2 nothing but this is also again lone pair, nothing but you will get only square, that's why it is called as the square planar. 7 0 which is called as the pentagonal bipyramid. Now how the question arises, let us take here ICl 4 minus. He gives you in your examination and asks you what is the shape of the molecule ABCD gives you. How to predict this one? Within 1 minute we can finish the answer. Let us take here ICl4. What is the central atom? Iodine. We have to calculate the bond pairs and the lone pair. How to calculate the bond pair and lone pair? By using the shortcut I was given earlier video. P is equal to A plus half into G minus V. A is called as the atoms attached to the central atom, G nothing but group number of the central atom, V is nothing but oxidation state of the central atom. Now I am substituting here. Central atom is the iodine, 4 chlorines attached, 4 plus half into central atom group number 7 minus 4 chlorines, each chlorine is the minus 1, 4 chlorines will be the minus 4, iodine will be the plus 4, ultimately you take the magnitude. And ICl4 minus 1, here minus 1 is taken as the plus 1. I was given the shortcut in the earlier video. Now I am taking 4 plus 8 minus 4, 4 by 2, total 6 nothing but sp3d2. sp3, hybridization is the sp3d2. Look at here, 6, 4, 2. The shape of the molecule is the square planar. That's why ICl4 minus will have the square planar. In the IIT examination, nearly 3 to 4 times he asked, what is the shape of the I3 minus? Very, very important. I will take like this, I minus, I and the I, like this. Central atom is bearing the minus 1, atoms attached to central atom is the 2, A is equal to 2, plus half into group number of iodine, very familiar, 7, minus oxidation state. This iodine will be the minus 1, this iodine will be minus 1, ultimately this iodine will be the plus 2, nothing but oxidation state will be the 2. And the I3 minus and minus 1 is taken as the plus 1. If you are having any doubt, check the previous video. 2 plus 8 minus 2, 6 by 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5 nothing but sp3 dehybridization, 2 nothing but always 2 can be linear shape, that's why the shape of the molecule is the linear molecule. IF7 I will take, or any example, not only II, why you have to take the II only, any example you take. PCl5 he asks you, what is the shape of the PCl5? Simply you have to write, phosphorus is the central atom, 5 chlorines, A is equal to 5 plus half into group number of the phosphorus, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, 50A group element, that's why 5 minus, each chlorine will have the minus 1, 5 chlorine is the minus 5, ultimately phosphorus will be the plus 5, so 5 minus 5, it is a neutral molecule because you are taking the PCl5, you are not saying any plus or any minus, ultimately 5 minus 5, 0, ultimately 5 plus 0, total 5, and 5 nothing but hybridization is the sp3d, bond pairs are the 5, lone pairs is 0, ultimately 5 plus 0 nothing but no lone pair, nothing but no distortion, that's why shape will be asked is trigonal bipyramidal shape, This is applicable for whatever you have to take. First you have to take this chart, very simply you have to remember the chart, then you take the shortcut I was given to calculate the hybridization, not only hybridization, this A will give you the bond pairs and remaining entire thing will give you the lone pair. Based on the bond pair and lone pair we will predict the shape of the molecule. Once again you will take from 4 0 tetrahedral, 3 1 total 4 sp3 hybridization but shape is the pyramidal, 2 2 sp3 hybridization, total is the 4 bent molecule, 5 0 trigonal bipyramid, 5 only sp3 dehybridization only but 4 are the bond pair, 1 is the lone pair, ultimately distorted tetrahedral. 3 2 is called as the T shape, 2 3 is nothing but linear, 6 nothing but up to here sp3 d2 hybridization only, 6 0 octahedral, 5 1 square pyramid, 4 2 square planar, 7 0 which is called as the pentagonal bipyramid. If you take the IF7 it will have the pentagonal bipyramidal structure. Thank you.